Now, we are using interrogative words but with est. Est is the typical way we say we add to a sentence to make it a question. But here we are using it with interrogative words. So when you are doing it this way, the interrogative words has to come first, always. First one, pourquoi est-ce qu'il ne mange pas? It means why he is not eating. Où est-ce que tu vas? It means where are you going? Où est-ce que tu vas? We have quand est-ce que tu viens? It means when are you coming? Last, comment est-ce que il va? Comment est-ce qu'il va? It means how is he, or even how is he going? Okay? In this case, we use est-ce que and we put the interrogative word on the first position. Okay? All right.